How to download Paylocity mobile app. Let's get started. Launch your App Store or Play Store. The process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now at the very top you will see the search box. Over there type in the app name Paylocity and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears at the right corner of it, you will find the option of install or get, or also you might find this kind of arrow. You just have to click on that option. With that, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Paylocity provides integrated global payroll with real-time access to aggregated payroll data across 100+ countries. Using Paylocity app, you can access pay stubs and tax forms, request time off, update personal information, and even collaborate with your teammates. Once completion of this download process, launch it, and then you can log into your account. So this is how you can easily download Paylocity account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.